So we're going to the Voyage of the Fall, the cruise boat tour. So stay tuned with me. So we are going down because the boat is down there. And we have lots of people today wanted to experience the mist in the middle of the falls. So they're giving us the, how do you call this? Like a raincoat for us not to get wet when we are already in the boat. So the Canada side, we have the red one, and the US side, they have the blue one. So we are in the Canada side. In the middle of the falls.
They ain't figure it out. That's why we got different colors.
So this is it. If you see the bridge, that is the bridge connecting Niagara City to New York, Buffalo to States. Um, that bridge called, they call that bridge like Rainbow Connection. It's very nice. Yeah, you see.
Apo kayong pupunta?
The Niagara Falls itself, it's so beautiful. That one, that is the Rainbow Connection, the bridge between Niagara City and New York, Buffalo. Nice, right? Nauna na siyang larga. So we are here already inside the boat, ready for our what? Our adventure of the mist from the falls, which is very nice. Yeah, that other side is the US side falls, because we have two, the US side and the Canada side. There, everybody is exciting to the adventure. There you go. So we are now moving to the middle of the falls, to the middle of the river. Is that river or lake? Okay. If I have to go back again, I still have to choose to again ride in that boat cruise. It's very interesting. You can really feel the beauty of the place. God's creation is amazing. I was just worried about my cell phone, it might fall. So I was just holding it so tightly. That side is Canadian side. That side over there. Yeah. So that's Canadian that one. Side.
Good morning.
So we are now moving in the middle. There. First, it's just so peaceful and calm. I was thinking why we said that we're gonna get wet, but why? Because the water came out. I did not pick up. And we turn around there by the falls. That's it. We're turning now. You see? Can you imagine that? You think it's a smoke, but it's the mist from the really beautiful. It's amazing. That's the one. See, you see that? So it's the current. And do you know the water flows from streams and rivers that empty into the Great Lakes? From Lake Superior down through Niagara to Lake Ontario, then into the St. Lawrence River to the Atlantic Ocean. The water will flow there. Oh my goodness. And then I was wondering where the water came from. So that is water that runs over around 685 gallons. 2.6 million liters, oh my gosh, of water from the Great Lakes, Lake Superior, Lake Michigan, Lake Huron, and Lake Erie. In fact, 1/3 of the world's fresh water is found in these 4 Great Lakes. So it combines of the 4 Great Lakes. That's why. That is why it's very, very, very interesting and very, very amazing. Look at that. So I was thinking how long this Niagara Falls runs out of water. But you know what? The answer is the falls could not replace by a series of rapids 100 years. Can you imagine that? 100 years from now. At the present rate of erosion, the remaining 20 miles to Lake Erie will have been undermined. So there won't be a falls anymore, but there will still be a river at work. In this part, we're already turning around. So we pass, and then we turn, and that's the time that the mist of the water splashed our face, our everything, and we get wet. And everybody's like screaming. It's not screaming because they're scared, but it's because they are joyful of what they experience. It's very nice. It's very nice. You cannot even see the falls because it's so strong. So look at everybody. Oh my gosh. But everybody is happy of the adventure, of the experience that we had. And we are all like, this is it. At least we experience. that's our wonderful experience of this cruise to the Niagara Falls. Yes, so exciting, so amazing. We're all excited. We're all what is this? We're amazed of the beauty of the Niagara Falls. That was really an amazing experience. And if you're going to Canada, especially in Toronto, you have to drop by Niagara City where you can find the Niagara Falls because it's very nice. And I think this is the chance for me to shout out all my members. Thank you, GKai Vlog Official, Elisa Vlog, Lovely Anggong, Mami Annex, Rose's Adventure, Gina Obanyas, Ritz 2M, Bajol Tagabol, Agnita's Kitchen, Legozilla Tube, It's Day, Lovely Reds, Joycel Mix Vlog, Twin Bisong Red, Michi Manalo, Inang TV Official, Jacob and Annette, It's Me Emma, Bonsalistang Lumpo, Pinay in Canada, Anix Vlog, Timang Vlog, TV, Kapitana Venusa, Dids Jones, Kuya Rix TV, Gomer Flavia Official, Mami Anix 2, Evelyn Hamilton USA, MD168, Nani Kikay in Town at Tineng USA, Malus TV, Imelda Ingram USA, Local USA Vlog, Flavio Bagochay Official, Visayas Alaska, Apong Pedro, Rosis Dance Therapy and Self-Care, Helen Life in Australia, Choco Lapitan, Jennifer Waller and Family, Minecraft Lady, Chris Lawson Vlog, Guardia Vlog, Renegade Offren, Julius PWD, Ging Beryl, OFW, Jotor's Channel, Elisa Capitli, Jovita Russell, MJ, Dois USA, Ophelia The Adventure, Pinay Campers, So Andre Family Farm, Cheryl Dijisos, Shant TV Official, Marita Noto, Carsiba Gwenfe, Wonder Micolana, The Evelyn Vlog, Joan TV Official, Chipney Eve, Chinchin 517, Max TV, Mam Malo, Nansky Vlog, Gronski Vlog, Gorgeous Jean, Adoration Balila, The Motivation Collective, Inday Mamsi, Mami Marites, Ostmike Family, Boss QQR Vlog, Asli TV, Pano Family, Philippine Island Adventure, Madiscarting Tatay, LVSS, Jingaling, Team Bistak in Ohio, Steve Antes in USA, Rolly Marcigan Reyes, The Missing Lace, Marius TV, Boholana Gamay, Inspiring Content, Pia Orchids, Pia Short, Dan TV, I know Chris, it's just Jay. Thank you for your support.